What a run here on PLTR, continuing to push up after that bull indicator and strength of inflows, retesting that outflow level yesterday and breaking out from that area, having outflows being dominated by these inflows from down here at the 108 area and up here near 113, pushing up to highs here of 116, and we're sitting at 115 here after hours. Now, it wasn't the only stock pushing up. The SPY did as well. Strong bull indicator and inflows there as well. And directly to our Discord, a SPY bot bull indicator was sent out at 9:50 a.m. and never got canceled throughout the day. And it lasted all day since 9:50 a.m., pushing up from the 550 level to the highs up here at 555 and testing that resistance level of the historical outflows. And call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, and join the members using 42 Vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators and our inflow versus outflow to see the strength of trends and have those extra layers of confirmation of why stocks are moving and the strength of supports and resistance. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and the members using 42 Vision. Now, here we are with PLTR stock Palantir Technologies Inc. back under a bull indicator on the 15-minute. Strong inflow level here since the pre-market, and it was used as support all day. And once it broke out 114 and it broke the resistance of the highest point in the first half of the day at 115, it hit a new high up here in the day of 116.50 and retesting key levels here based off the inflow versus outflow. When we zoom out, right, when we go all the way towards the 1 hour, we're up here pushing away back-to-back inflows. We broke out from that resistance that was critical here of 109, used it as support, and we're up here at 115. And if we go all the way towards the 4 hour, the next level of resistance is the all-time highs, guys. We're pushing away. We talked about as we were going downwards based off the 4 hour, for as long as this bear indicator was in effect at the 123, 124 level, we were watching how things would react towards $73, and we hit lows here of 72 and quickly bounced back up. There was key levels to break through. We did. We had outflows push us back down into this level below 73 at 65, but it still held above 63. And then we've just been pushing up. We pulled back, and we have a strong inflow level here, creating a big, wide resistance, and we're just retracing here, and we're back above 100. Once we broke above 100, and that $90 was used as support, we had 98, 100, and then we're up here at 115, and then now the next critical resistance, if this strength continues the next few days and weeks, is 121.50, guys. And when we go towards the 2 hour, we could see we broke out above the 108 level. That was a tight range here, and this is really where 42 Vision gives us that edge, right? We could see the supports and resistance clearly. Is it always going to touch and retrace and retest that resistance? No, but followed up with the extra layer of confirmation of that bull indicator here at $93. We had 104 to 108 as a point of reference historically where things rejected and fell, and we were going to try to retrace and retest it, and we did, and we broke out from it and used it as support. And this has still been under a bull indicator since $94. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment to get connected and join the members using it to clearly see the strength of trends with our bull and bear indicators and the extra layers of confirmation with the strengths of supports and resistance in the volatility. So here we are with PLTR, Palantir Technologies Inc. pushing up, and now we're in a tight range here. Use this area as support, 108 again, as it pulled back from 114 sharply, bounced back up, and now we have the level up here of 121, guys. That is the most critical level right now to stay above 108, stay above 110, and break out and continue this trend with strength and no bear indicators in the process, and retest 121. And if 125 gets broken through, we may see new all-time highs. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Lots of people talked about how this stock was getting cratered down. It was overvalued. And it was the same thing that happened to this stock when it was way back here. We talked about PLTR way back when it IPO'd, when it was below IPO pricing, It went all the way up to 50, came back down, and here we are with it having a new all-time high above 100. And once things started to look weak, we broke down the levels, and I talked about how critical $70, 73, and staying above 65 was going to be critical, and that's exactly what happened here, right? It got slightly below 65, and then once it got back to 73, you could see it there. It was used as support on those inflows coming back up. $90 was crucial. It got up towards it. It was fighting to stay above it, and it did. And then came up here towards the 104, 105 levels, and it broke out from that. And we're up here at 115. So the key levels I'll be watching going into tomorrow, the first thing is support, guys. We just hit an outflow level and bear indicator on the 3-minute. 115 is a crucial level that we need to break through to continue. If not, the first support is down here at 114 to the 113.70 level. If that gets broken through, the lows of the day at 113 is crucial. And then when we zoom out even further and look at this from the 5-minute, down here towards 113 to 112. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the downside. To the upside, we want to break back above here this outflow level of 116, and then above that comes 118 and the 121 level that we're seeing here in the larger time frames, right? Up here near 121.60, 121.50. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicator is going to be crucial. We have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. Even on the 5-minute and 3-minute, we have bear indicators. The 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour are all under bull indicators. And as long as those don't go into bear indicators, this could just be some volatility, right? So any pullback right now is not even justifiable for as long as this bull indicator holds and support holds. And I'm going to be watching that going into tomorrow. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve over the markets and charts within the volatility, check out the link down below in the description to get connected to our 42 vision indicators and join the members using it. We look forward to getting you connected. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.